Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold just a standard pyramid or triangle napkin fold. Now we'll start by folding along a diagonal, so we'll bring two opposite corners together. Next we'll bring both of these corners up to the top corner. Now turn the whole thing over. Now bring this top corner down. Now just pick that up right in the middle and stand it up. And we are all done. Now I do have a playlist full of napkin folding tutorials that you can check out. I'll link to that right here and in the description. But if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.